Most drivers think an oil change is the easiest and safest service their car could ever get. You drop your car off, pick it up about 20 minutes later, and just assume everything was done perfectly. But here's the truth. Oil changes are actually one of the most commonly rushed, overlooked, and, honestly, sloppily performed services in the entire automotive world. And if you don't check one simple thing afterward, you could be driving around with an engine that's slowly destroying itself. So, today, I'm going to show you exactly what to check after every oil change, because missing this step could, cut the life of your engine in half. The first and most important thing to check is your actual oil level. You'd be shocked how often shops get this wrong. Sometimes they add too much oil, sometimes not enough, and sometimes they forget to let the oil settle before measuring it. A low oil level might not trigger a warning light, but it will cause metal-on-metal wear every time the engine gets hot. Too much oil is just as dangerous. It causes foaming, pressure problems, and can damage the catalytic converter over time. So always pull the dipstick, wipe it, check the level twice, and make sure it's exactly at the proper mark. The second thing you must check is the oil filter. Believe it or not, some shops don't tighten the filter properly, or they over-tighten it so much that the gasket bulges. A loose oil filter can leak under pressure and starve your engine. An over-tightened one can crack the housing or make the seal fail. Get under the car or use a flashlight. Make sure the filter is clean, dry, and securely installed. Look around the gasket area for any fresh oil residue. Even one small drip is a warning that something isn't right. The third thing to check is the drain plug. This small bolt is the difference between a healthy engine and one that empties itself on the highway. Sometimes shops forget to replace the crush washer. Sometimes they reuse an old gasket that no longer seals. And sometimes, this is more common than you think, they cross-thread the plug or over-tighten it using an impact gun. That mistake strips the oil pan, turning a $40 oil change into a $700 repair.
After any oil change, Bulgaria and Czech Republic.
The fourth thing to check is the oil type on your receipt. Engines today are honestly extremely picky about viscosity. If your car calls for 0W20 and the shop decides to, save time by using 5W30, you won't notice it now, but your engine will suffer. Wrong viscosity affects cold starts, fuel economy, and internal wear. Some shops use generic bulk oil for every car unless you specifically ask for the correct grade. So, always read the service report and confirm the right viscosity and specification were used. The fifth thing most drivers forget is checking for leftover spills. If a mechanic spills oil on hot engine parts and doesn't wipe it properly, you'll smell burning oil for days. It's not only annoying, it can hide real leaks. Open the hood and look around the filler cap, valve cover, and exhaust manifold area. If you see wet spots, ask the shop to clean them. You should never drive away from an oil change with oil residue anywhere. The sixth check is your oil cap. It sounds simple, but shops do sometimes forget to tighten it. A loose or missing oil cap will cause oil to spray around the engine bay, trigger warning lights, and even affect air-fuel ratios because the PCV system gets disrupted. Always twist the cap and make sure it's locked firmly in place. The seventh thing to check is your engine's idle and sound. A properly done oil change should make your engine run smoothly and quietly. If you hear ticking, knocking, or inconsistent idle afterward, that's a red flag. Those sounds often happen when the oil filter is defective, when the shop used the wrong viscosity, or when the engine wasn't topped off correctly. Let the engine run for 2 minutes and listen carefully. If anything sounds unusual, take the car back right away. The eighth thing to check is for warning lights or strange messages on your dash. Sometimes shops forget to reset the oil life counter. Other times they disconnect sensors, forget connectors, or trigger temporary codes. If your dash looks different than before, don't ignore it. Your ECU doesn't lie. And finally, and this one is often ignored, check the ground under your car after your first drive. Park it, wait 10 minutes, and look for fresh oil drops. A tiny drip today turns into a major leak tomorrow. Oil changes might seem simple, but they're the front line of engine health. When shops rush, skip proper checks, or use cheap parts, your engine pays the price. But now you know exactly what to inspect, and these quick checks can easily make your engine last tens of thousands of miles longer. If you found this helpful and you want more simple car-saving tips, make sure you subscribe to Gear Specs. We're here to help you protect your car and your wallet.